Hey everyone, this is Craig. We have so many requests in our feature request board for two things. Content curation, so you guys don't have to search the internet to find great articles to post to social media and keep your feed full of interesting articles. Another big request that we get is a Chrome extension. So when you're out there browsing the internet, if you see an article or a page or a blog, anything, any website that you like, you can just click a button on the extension and it will automatically add it to your social queue and start posting that. Well, I can give you all of those features with something called Pocket. We don't have it integrated completely into our system, but it works absolutely fantastically, and you can add it to your Sociamonials account in under 5 minutes. Eventually, we're going to do a full integration with these guys because we love Pocket, but for now, I'm going to show you how to do it using our RSS Feed feature. So first, I want to show you what Pocket is. As I said, it's a free app. Not only do they have a great website, but they also have a free mobile app, so you can do all of this on your mobile phone. They also have a great Chrome extension that allows you with one click. You can't quite see it, but it's just outside of the video here. But if you click that one little button, it will grab the URL from the page that you are currently on, and it will add it to your Pocket list. So what I'm going to be showing you how to do is use their content curation feature to add articles by saving them to your Pocket list and then integrating that Pocket list to your Sociamonials queue using an RSS feed. It sounds complicated, but it's super easy, so bear with me. I'll show you step by step how to do it. So I've logged into my Pocket account. I've got it linked to my Google account, so all I have to do is click on continue with Google and it drops me right into content discovery. So the people at Pocket are constantly curating really great articles. I've got technology selected, but if you scroll down over here, there's so many topics that you can look for. And this is a great way to discover current relevant articles for your audience. So let's say you find one you like. It works as simple as this. So I have a lot of agencies in my social following, so this is probably very interesting because I have a lot of people that are small agencies that probably use co-working spaces. So all I need to do is click save. It's saved. Now it's in my list, and it's already over in Sociamonials waiting to be added to the queue. Another thing I can do, let me cruise on over to my list and show you what just happened. So notice it's already here. I already have some other test things that I've added as well, and I'm going to show you how those appear in Sociamonials. But what I would do if I wanted to go to a website and add that to the list as well is I can just open up a new browser window, and I'll go over to Ferrari. So if I want to go over to the store and share this store with my followers, what I would have to do is just go up here and click on the little pocket icon. You can't see it within the video here. And it automatically added it. You can also add tags. I'm going to call this cars. This isn't going to help you yet, but when we add the full integration, you'll actually be able to filter by tags. So you might as well start tagging your stuff. Just so when you've got this big list of great stuff, then you'll have it tagged and it will look nice and neat. So now it's got the tag, the page has been saved. What I want to do now is head over to Pocket again, close these out. So now that we're in Pocket, I'm going to show you how to do this. Go up to your icon and go to Options. In Options, you're going to go to Privacy. I don't know why they put it here, but within Privacy, you're going to see something called RSS Feed. I like to just use the All Items feed. So click on this, and it will show you the whole feed. All you need to do is copy the URL of this feed, and then head back over to your Sociamonials account. So our queue's empty right now, so I'm going to show you how it will pull in everything that we need. I'm going to add an RSS feed, and let's call it Pocket. Go ahead and paste that feed URL you just copied over at Pocket, And I'm going to create the message from both the link title and description. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to say via Pocket, just to show you guys that it really did come from my Pocket feed. And what I'll do is I'll add the latest 10 when I first integrate, and it's going to pull in the latest 10 from Pocket, and then every time there's something new added, it will immediately add those as well. It's going to ask me which social profiles I want to post these to, so I'll leave my defaults here. And what category? This is important. So you can only have one Pocket RSS feed, so you'll have to choose whatever you're going to use Pocket for the most. So like I'm going to call this specialized services. And what this will do is throw all of those Pocket curated content articles into my specialized services queue. So the times it goes out are going to be based on the specialized services queue times, which, as you all know, is managed in your schedule. I am not going to email myself. I'm not going to requeue these articles, but you can certainly do that. What I will do is hold these for approval, just to show you how this works. So this is important. Some of you are a really high volume operation. You want to get a ton of articles out there, and you don't want to spend the time going through them, making sure that every T is crossed and I is dotted. If you just want to get these things out here, don't even bother holding it for approval. But what I like to do personally is hold them for approval, and I'll show you why when we get there. And everything else looks good, so I'm going to add this RSS feed. Okay, so now the RSS feed's been refreshed and added. So let's go take a look at our queue. So you'll see now we've got all of these different things that we had previously added to our list. Here is the Ferrari post, and here is that WeWork post. So let's use this one as an example. Notice how it's held for our approval. So what I can do now is I can either go in and approve this, and it will create a complete post, or I can click Edit. So as you can see, it looks just like a normal post that we composed ourselves. What I can do now is go in and I can drop in some hashtags. The image looks fine, or I could add additional images if I want, or even select different images from the page. And once everything looks good, I will go ahead and add it to the queue. So now I just curated content. I added it to my queue automatically without a whole lot of effort. So let's go take a look and make sure it really got added. Okay, now it's in the queue. As you can see, we've got the times for each of the social networks all planned out. So that's the reason I like to hold for approval. It just gives me one more chance to really tailor it, add those hashtags, do whatever I need to do, maybe choose a different image. And if I wanted to change the category, that would give me an opportunity to do that. So if you're trying to use Pocket for multiple types of posts, say you have a specific audience that likes technology, and you've got a different audience that likes biotech, this way you can use your one Pocket account and your one Sociamonials workspace to manage both of those. If you absolutely needed to have two separate queues and separate Pocket accounts for biotech and technology, you could do that as well. Just create two separate Pocket accounts. In the future, it'll become easier once we have tagging available. At the moment, we don't, so unfortunately, you would need to use two separate Pocket accounts to have two separate queues being fed by this. That's it. Hopefully this tip helps you guys out somewhat. Go get Pocket and add that first RSS feed. It will make your life a whole lot easier. Thank you.